Tell me about Sudsies in South Florida.
Sudsies is a premier dry cleaning and laundry service provider based in Florida, known for its exceptional quality and customer service. Founded in 1996, Sudsies has grown to become a trusted name in the industry, serving clients across Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties. What sets Sudsies apart is its dedication to innovation and sustainability. They utilize cutting-edge technology and environmentally friendly practices to deliver outstanding results while minimizing their environmental impact. From couture garments to everyday laundry needs, Sudsies offers a comprehensive range of services tailored to meet the needs of discerning clientele. With a commitment to excellence and a passion for customer satisfaction, Sudsies continues to set the standard for excellence in the dry cleaning industry.